Sometimes I fall to my knees and pray. Come, Jesus, come. Let today be the day. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna break, but I'm holding on to a hope that won't fade. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. Come, Jesus, come. There'll be no war, there'll be no change when Jesus comes. Let today be the day. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. Come, Jesus, come. One day he'll come and we'll stand face to face. Come and lay it all down, 'cause it might be today. The time is right now. There's no need to wait. Your past will be washed by rivers of grace.
Rivers of grace.
Come, Jesus, come.
We've been
waiting so
for
long
that day
for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. Deep down I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come.
The legend joins us on stage. Good to see you both again. Hey, nice to see you, Roman. So that single is out and hot, Come Jesus Come, and you're going to be hearing it on the radio everywhere this week, right?
Yes, this week. Yes.
Thank you
Come,
for
Jesus,
sharing it with us here on our
Thank
stage.
you. Thank you for letting me come.
And you're going on that international leg of your tour, right?
Yes, international.
Okay, more than
Yes.
this world tour.
More than this. The Spirit of God is amazing. People who are hurting are being healed and set free. And so what an incredible night tonight. I'm so honored to be here.
We're honored to have you, and I'm looking at Roman over there.
Yes, sir.
This has got to be life-changing for you.
God is so faithful. That's all I can say. To God be the glory. Yes, sir.
Beautiful job tonight, Roman. One more time, Roman Collins and the amazing Cece Winans.